if you look up to my screen right now, you're going to see that this is a platform whereby you can earn just by performing some surveys, playing some games, and doing some other works right here. And in today's video, I'm going to be walking you through how you are going to do all these things in this video. So guys, just stick to the end of this video and make sure you watch till the end. So before we get started with this video info, if you are new to my channel, my name is Olabi Oluwabukumi. I make video around making money online and business growth. And if this type of video interests you, do well to smash on the subscribe button, like this video, and as well comment on this video if you get any and if you get any help from this video. And with that being said, guys, let's dive into this video. So the site that we are going to be looking on right here is called Get Paid To. So don't rush to go and open an account on this website, because as you are going on, you might not even understand some things right here. That is why you have to stick to the end of this video, and let me walk you through what you need to do in order for you to earn in this platform. And don't worry about getting to know this type of, because if you go to your search bar, you can get a lot of, when you go to your search bar and search Get Paid To, which is the name of this platform, you can get a lot of results on Google. But the exact link you are going to be using to be driving into this platform and to this website, I'm going to be dropping it in the description of this video. And make sure to use the link I'm going to drop in the description of this video, because I'm going to be getting at least some bucks from using my referral link. And I believe this is one of the ways you can use to say thank you to me on this website, because I'm doing this for free, and I'm not going to leave any stone unturned right here in this video. So let us just look at onto the interface of this platform before we get right in, and let me show you what you need to earn on this platform and other things you need to know. So this is a platform whereby you earn money every day time you go online. Earn GPT points for simple tasks such as completing surveys, playing games, and watching videos, and many more. So that, as I've told you earlier, this is a platform or a site whereby you just complete surveys, do some time sort of games and quick points, and also other words. So these are things you can do and make lots of money from this website. A lot of things are here for you to do on this website. But let's open an account on this. Let me walk you through how to open an account on this website, and let's drive in straight away. So what you just have to do is just to click on login. Click on login. Then, so you don't have any account on this site, just click on join now, or not a member, join now. Just click on join now, and it will take you to where you're going to register your own account on Get Paid To. Although I have an account on this, and I'm going to be driving it to a new account I just created. So I just want to walk you through on how to do this right now. So what you just have to do right now is just to input your username, your password, and confirm your password, your email, and confirm your email, your first name, your last name, and this is just a normal information. Fill in your month here, fill in your month, fill in your day, and fill in your the year you have been born. That's all. So the next thing you're going to do right here is just to fill in your country. Just click on this drop down and pick your country. This is and for your information, this is worldwide. You can do it from anywhere in the world. So guys, this is the next thing you have to do. So the next thing right now is just to fill in your city, fill in your but I think this when I'm doing this, I noticed something when I'm open my account on this website. Once you fill in your country and once you fill in your country, your city and your zip code will be there automatically. And once you have done that, what you need to do right now is just to click on yes please. Just check this thing and also agree to their terms. And once you done that, then make sure to click on this box, which is I'm not a robot. Click on it, and you are done. The next thing is for you to click on this register button right here, complete registration. So all what you just need is to click on this, complete your registration, which is this, and you are good to go. So now that you have done all this, let me log in into my account and let me walk you through on how to on what to do on this website in order for you to be earning and the other things you need to know. So let me just log into my own account and let's see how it goes. So before you get, I think it's loading right here. So just make sure if you haven't subscribed to this channel and if you are getting values from what I'm doing right here on this on this channel, do well to hit that subscribe button. That's one of the ways to help me right here on this channel. And make sure you drop a comment in the comment section. Even though you don't have any comments, just make sure you just say thank you to me so that I can know that I've given values. I've given out values on this pertaining to this videos I'm doing right here. And now that I've done this, let's continue with this video right here. So the next thing is, if you're okay, I think this is not the page okay, yeah. So this is how you are going to, this is the interface once you log in, and once you use the link I'm going to be dropping, which is my own referral link, I'm going to be dropping in the description of this video. You are going to get instant 26 points right here without doing anything, just for using my link. Are you getting me? I'm going to get instant 26 points right here. So that's one of the awesome things right here. That's one of the awesome things you're going to be getting once you use the link. And mind you, I'm going to be working, I said I'm going to be working through everything you're going to be doing on this platform. The next thing for you is to go to your dashboard. Yes, wait. Okay, yeah. So yeah, once you get to this interface, you can, so a lot of things, these are the tasks you can do. So you can just one of the tasks you can do right here is to register on any game using this code offers, and you get 171 points. So that's very cool and very easy. Just tap on it, tap on the sign up button right here. Let me just indicate this for you guys for you to see. Just tap on this sign up button and register. Very easy to register an account on this platform, on this application called Onigame, and you get 171 points. And don't worry, I'm going to be telling you how to convert these points to dollars. I'm going to be telling you how to convert all these points to dollar right here. So just open an account with this code and you are getting 171 points. And this is the second thing, this second tax you can also do right here on this platform. So this is it. So once you just do some easy mathematics, can you see, then you can get 237 points. That's huge. So if you want to get more featured over, you can just click on this blue button to scroll to another tax you can do. See, this is another tax you can do and get 500 points. The second one get 700 points. That's huge. Just to have your time do it. We are not paying anything. This is totally free. So guys, just scroll to the downside and see a lot of tax you can do right here. And the best part about this uh, platform is that there's a way you can just fill some links. You don't have to perform any surveys. You just have to put in. Let me show you what I mean right here. As you can see right here on your screen, you see view short links. View short links. Just click on that view short links. So you can just throw. So these are links you can just view for some minutes. Let me just indicate something right here for you. So if you view this link right here, you don't have anything to do. Just view it, wait for some seconds, and you have 10 points. Wait for some seconds, you can do it. Do this, get 8 points, get 6 points, get 12 points, 3 points, 5 points. You can even be doing this and accumulate a lot of points right here. And I'm going to, I promise you that I'm going to be telling you how you are going to convert all these points to dollars for you to be withdrawing your money. There are a lot of links you can view right here and get a lot of points right here in this platform. So I think this is something that is very important for me to show you guys, for you to know there are a lot of opportunities right here for you to earn on this website. Yeah, if you click on this on this button right here that I just clicked right here, so you're going to see on other ways to earn. You can click on this endpoint So you can view by field surveys, by field hours, by featured hours, surveys, quick points, and war over wars. You can click on the drop down, which is for the games. So you can make money by playing wanted games, playing fix app games, GPT reviews, and play pocket. So these are the things you can just find your time do and accumulate a lot of points and get paid in dollars right here on this platform. So let me click on the context. That's for okay. So other than you have known all these things, let me show you how to cash out your money on this platform, because this is something that is very essential. You can't just be doing any platform without knowing how you are going to cash out your money on this website right here. So for you to cash out your money, just click on cash out right here and let's see the payment method for you. So guys, this is a very interesting part of this platform, is that once you just get to 5,000, once you just get to 5,000 points right here, it is going to, that 5,000 points is just $1. So once you get to 5,000 points, it will accumulate to $1 right here. So you have to accumulate to 5,000 points before you can get $1, and it's very very easy once you follow everything I explained in this video. So there are a lot of payment methods. You can use ATM, cryptocurrency, Amazon, and these three things you can use right here to withdraw. Just use the one that is very very comfortable for you. It's for you to use to withdraw your money. And once if you are using ATM, the minimum withdrawal is 2,000 points, even not even up to 5,000 points. That's so cool about this. So earn $2 to register on, yeah. So yeah, if you don't if you don't if you don't have any account on ATM, then you can, they say is the register link for it, for is the registration link here. And even once you register on ATM with this link, you are going to see right here, you are going to get $2, and that's very super cool. So if you are withdrawing with your cryptocurrency, which is you can withdraw get to the minimum of 5,000 points, you are going to get to $1. That's super cool as well. So but for Amazon, you are going to, if you accumulate to 10,000 points, you are going to get in $2. I think this is something that is very cool for a beginner to start, even if you don't have any money. Don't It doesn't require any money. Just make sure you just find your time, do these surveys all and on again, and you accumulate a lot of money right here. So guys, let me see your comments in the comment section. If you are gaining values from this video, let me see your comment in the comment section, and make sure please like this video, because this is very something that is very helpful. It's going to make, if you like this video very well, it will make this YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to a lot of people that have interest in this type of content I'm dropping right here. So do well to like this video and make sure hit that red subscribe button and subscribe to this channel. And with that being said, guys, meet you in my next video. Peace out.